Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best compact miter saw you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best compact miter saw in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Makita XSL02ZX 2 liters XT cordless compound miter saw. If you need a more portable yet powerful option, then consider this one. It's very compact and lightweight, allowing for being carried around and easily moved. Besides this, the tool has the double of what a single slide miter saw can offer, ensuring more precise cutting. The motor generates more RPM, reaching around 5,800 at its peak. The speed is ideal for making both small and large cuts without damaging the overall piece. With the rigid plastic handle, you can easily manipulate the movements upwards and downwards to slide on the rail with 4 stainless steel supports. With a weight of around 29 pounds, the tool can be easily packed into a case and transported to other locations. The machine's width of 26 inches allows it to be placed on any cutting table, which is unusual among portable miter saws. Furthermore, because the saw is cordless and battery powered, there is no need to look for a power source. For details, let's watch more. Our second best compact miter saw is Craftsman Sliding Miter Saw. The Craftsman saw is a perfect example of accuracy and efficiency. It operates with a voltage of 20 units and can develop a speed of 800 revolutions per minute. As a result, the machine is simple to operate and offers an impressive balance and firm grip when processing wood pieces. It works with 7 1/4 inch blades that cut smoothly without chipping, denting, or scuffing. The head has an LED-based gauge scale to ensure you have a precise aim at your wood piece. Depending on the width and thickness of the processed material, the scale is readjusted. With just one sharp bevel, you can easily slice through 8-inch pieces with a right-angle cut or an acute angle cut. The motor produces a high-speed 3,800 RPM and is powered by a lithium-ion battery. The battery is included with the tool and can be charged using a standard 120-volt power source. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Dewalt 20 volts miter saw. The Dewalt DCS361B is a good small and compact miter saw option. This is a 7 1/4 inch miter saw that will fit easily into your shop. It has many sterling features such as high cut capacity, increased accuracy, dual bevel, and many more. The Dewalt DCS361B is a sliding tool that can bevel to the left from -3 to -48 degrees. It also includes a locating system to help you fine-tune your cuts. This miter saw is extremely lightweight, weighing only 31.6 pounds. As a result, you can easily transport and store it. It has a handle that allows you to make precise miter angles. Its machined fence support provides greater cutting stability. With ease and accuracy, you can cut through any 3.5 inch high material. It also has 10 positive stops on its detent plate. Adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 11 positive stops improves productivity and ensures cutting accuracy. Oversized bevel scale makes bevel angle adjustments accurate and easy. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Makita XSL05Z Compact Dual Bevel Miter Saw. For those of you who want a high-tech saw with more functions and less frustration, Makita has an option. The XSL05Z model is a perfect combination of style, portability, and efficiency. It's completely overload protected and comes with an LED display that shows you the current battery status. Furthermore, it has a nice, small LED lamp built into the handle that you can adjust for greater precision. In terms of dimensions, the tool is a small compound miter saw that weighs only 15 pounds. With a width of 17 inches, it is easily transported by hand and can be moved even while being processed. Furthermore, it is 6.5 inch compatible but performs as well as the best 8.5 sliding miter saw. The tool is powered by a lithium-ion battery that can be charged by plugging it into a standard 18-volt outlet. To find the best position for each cut and avoid splinters, you can adjust the angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. While the cutting capacity is slightly higher at 90 degree, the cutting capacities of 15 degree, 25 degree, and 45 degree are still quite impressive for a saw of this size. Last in our best compact miter saw list is Ryobi Sliding Mitre Saw. The Ryobi TSS702 is one of the most affordable miter saws available. It is a sliding miter saw that is 7 1/4 inch in length. With this miter saw, you can cross-cut and bevel cut. It weighs only 25 pounds. As a result, you can easily transport it and store it. It also has a top handle for easier portability. You can use this miter saw to cut small base and crown molding. It is ideal for DIYers and beginners who plan ahead of time. It has a miter stop and a 40-tooth blade. It also has an LED cut line indicator for increased precision. It also has an electric blade brake for added security.